up, everyone?
Hey guys!
What up, everyone? Tim and Mary here, the Nuts Network. We
Yes.
are back at Universal Studios Hollywood.
Yes.
We are at the ET lot in the lowest levels of all possible.
Ooh.
The pink level. It's usually for RVs and such, but I think it might be crowded. We don't know yet. We will find out when we get there, won't we?
Yes, so we did everything on opening night, so every additional night we visit, we're just taking it easy.
Yeah, we're just
Relaxing,
here.
enjoying the monsters.
Yeah, to enjoy the scare zones and maybe get more footage of the scare zones actually.
Yeah.
So, yeah, enjoy our journey. We're gonna go through the arch. I love it when the arch is open. Whoa, that creepy music though. Is it Slash?
Yeah, this is fun.
This is Slash. In like the Flynn guys. Yay! I don't know what we're gonna do first. Oh, strobe lights. Whoa, look at that guy back there though. Hey, we came in at the right time.
Okay, hold on. I can't see. I can't see. Now I can see.
It's funny when they're all like screaming at each other, the monsters.
Yes! Yes!
But nobody's around.
Yes! Yeah, I did see that. It's so hilarious. Okay, Marked for Dead, this whole like these words tying in all into the La Llorona legend. Basically, if you dare go by the river, because they say she drowned.
Good right there. I see all the different ones.
Yeah, I can't. Llorona. Oh, I can't either. How? I have to ask my grandma how. My grandma would know how to pronounce that. Yeah, I love this zone so much.
Usually this area has good zones. This isn't fog. There's no fog anywhere.
And it connects to that maze.
Yeah.
It goes, you know. I'm gonna go see what that is. It's a shrine. Guys, this is Readers of the Horror Nights. Day.
just got done hanging out at the La Llorona scare zone. And
Yeah.
now we went back to the locker and got our spirit jerseys on from last year. Because it has gotten chilly. Where was this weather opening night?
Exactly. When I got heat sick and stuff.
Yeah, it's crazy how different it is round 2. But anyways, now I don't know which scare zone we're going to go to next. But yeah, we're having a good night. Come to me. There it goes. They hang out right here. Oh god. I knew it's just kind of very distraction. They like to get you when you're distracted.
Yeah.
Fun of the guy waving. Oh, there's a funnel cake. Candy corn funnel cake. Exclusive. Seasonal exclusive. Oh my god. This is too funny tonight. Yeah. These monsters are hilarious tonight, guys.
They're trying to clean up the
I know. Is this where you get their funnel cakes?
I think so.
It looks really crunchy though.
Yeah.
I'm not about that crunchiness. Oh wow. Oh my god.
Amazing.
It is. I'm telling you guys, that is the blueprint to a Dementor. They play the Treehouse of Terror music at the Simpsons Land area. It's over and over again though. If you hang out here too long, it will get to your brain. We're trying to wait for Lard Lads. They were closed. I want to try that bacon maple one. I did not know they made a colossal bacon maple ones. Yes, I'm excited. I need sugar. Guys, it's Chief. Chief. Coffee and donuts. Yummy commendation. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to get that bacon maple one over there. Oh god, there it is. Maple bacon. Okay guys, I finally got my hands on a Lard Lad colossal maple
so
bacon. It's fresh. They were closed for a little bit because they probably ran out and they had to bake a lot more.
Yeah.
These things sell out at the end of the night. But yes, we're gonna dig in. We're hanging out at the Minion Cafe area because it's the best light we could get.
People don't really come back
And then the scare zone's over there. All right, guys. We were hanging out at Scare Zone 1. We just had that bacon maple. That was bomb.
Yes.
That donut, that's a new favorite. We might have to make that a HHN tradition now. And I checked the app and Terror Tram said no wait, so we're gonna head over there.
Yes.
Studio tour, it says no wait, so we're gonna chance it. The Terror Tram is always a goodie.
Oh yeah.
If we do anything tonight, we'll at least do this.
Yeah.
and alcohol. You must finish that before you enter the queue. There's truly no time for you to enjoy it, so you're either going to slam it or throw it away.
During this entire journey we have ahead of us, it's going to be a while.
Boogie,
Just
oogie,
kidding, it's
boogie.
only about 3 to 5 minutes. And very important, if you have any
Exciting.
small children,
Tram ride.
we
are on the Terror Tram. Oh. That's where we used to get back on over there. Now we go through Jupiter's claim. Look at that guy's creepy over there. Look at. Woo. I see it, I see it. And look at, she's got the teacup. Yes. Star Lasso experience, right? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's here, Mary. Mary, it's here. Mary, it's here, Mary. Somehow my camera still works. It's so cool. Everything's off, Mary. Yeah?
Yeah.
And they're all going, yes, come eat us.
All the way down, folks. All the way down. All 4 cars.
We just finished Terror Tram. And we're back on the tram, heading back to the park. And we're probably going to call it a night. Good times, guys. Yeah, I think we are done for the night. It is, what time is it? It is after 11. Yeah, we got a good hour and a half drive home. We got to get through. All right, guys, that's going to end our round 2 at HHN.
Yes, on this wonderfully cool hot season night.
Oh, yeah, it's a way cooler. We're actually wearing our Spirit jerseys
Yes,
this time.
and we're so cozy and like, yes, it's nice.
Yes, it's nice. We're tired, though.
Yes, we are.
It's a good night. Thank you guys so much for joining on our journey.
And thank you to everyone who came up and said hey today. We love you guys.
We love you guys. We're going to give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom, Cookie Trails, and Tucker Time.
Tucker Time.
We'll see you guys at the next event, which will be Scary Farm.
See you in the fog.
Our main event. All right, guys.